Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will be doing exercise 4.3, estimate the difference by rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens. So firstly you have to estimate these numbers, round off these numbers to the nearest tens, and then you have to subtract. So as you can see here, 78, we will take 8, that is given, the digit that is given on ones place value. Then we will compare it with 5. If the number is bigger than 5, then we will add 1 in tens place. Okay, so like this, 8 is bigger than 5, so 1 we will add at ones place, and 8 will become 0 and 7 will become 8. So now next one is 23. So 3 we will ones place, 3 will compare with 5. 3 is smaller than 5. When the number is smaller than 5, then we will not add any number at tenth place. We will write the same number and 3 will become 0. So 80 minus 20 is 60. So again in this question, 62 minus 41. So here we will compare 2 with 5. 2 with 5, 2 is smaller than 5, so we will not add any number here. So the round off will be 60. And 41, 1 is smaller than 5, so we will not add any number at 4, so it will be 40. So 60 minus 40 is 20. Like this. 92, 2 we will compare with 5. When you compare 2 with 5, so 2 is smaller than 5, so we will not add any number at tens place, so it will be 90. 59, 9 is bigger than 5, so that's why it will we will add 1 here, so it will become 60. 90 minus 60 is 30. 51, 1 compare with 5, so 1 is smaller than 5, so we will not add any number here, so it will be 50. 25, 5 is equals to 5. When the number is equals to 5, 5 is equals to 5. Ones place we are having 5, so we have to add 1 here, so then the round off will be 30. So 50 minus 30 is 20. Okay, so these two questions I have given you as homework. Then afterwards Priya has to solve 42 questions. Okay, so like this, let me show you the question here. Priya has to solve 42 sums of homework. She solves some of them. Now 18 sums are left. So some of them is solved, but 18 sums are left. Estimate the number of sums solved by Priya. Estimate, you have to estimate the number that is left for Priya. So what you will do is, total number of sums, for example, total number of sums is 42. We will write first statement. Now number of sums left 18. So firstly we are doing the estimation here, because in first question also estimation is given, so we will be doing like this. So 42 estimation, as I have told you earlier also, 2 we will compare with 5, so it will be 40. As we will not add any number here, 2 is smaller than 5, 8 is bigger than 5, so then we will add 1 here, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 8 will become 0. So number of sums solved by Priya will be 40 minus 20 to 20. So the estimation we will find. So estimation here is 20. Around 20 sums are solved by Priya. Around 20 sums are solved by Priya. Like this we will write. Okay. So second question that you are having. A book has 97 pages. Why we are using a round word? Because estimation we are doing. You can write approximate also. So a book has 97 pages. So total number of pages is 97. Mayank read 43 pages. Number of pages read by Mayank is 43. Estimate the number of pages left. So number of pages left. Firstly you have to do the estimation here. Then you have to minus, and then you will write. So number of pages around kitne left hai you have to write. Question number 4 for you. Rimpi bought 62 liters of milk in May and 89 liters of milk. 89 Rimpi bought 62 liters of milk in May and 89 liters of milk in June. Estimate how much more milk she bought in June. So what is the quantity that is bought in May? Quantity of milk bought in May is 62 liters. Quantity of milk bought in June is 89 liters. Okay, firstly we will estimate. As you can see here, 62 liters is given. So what you will do is, 62 liters is given, so 2 we will compare with 5, so this will become, we will not add 1 here at 6, so it will be 60 liters. 89, 9 we will compare with 5, 9 is bigger than 5, so 1 we will add here, so 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 will become 0, so 90 liters. Approximate quantity of milk bought more in June is 90 liters minus 60 liters. 90 liters minus 60 liters. So 90 minus 60 is 30. You have to write this liters. It is compulsory. So around 30 liters of milk bought more in June than May, because we have to give the estimation only. That's why we are writing like this. Okay. So the next question that is there. Rahul get 81 as his weekly pocket money. He spent 57 to buy snacks. Find the approximate amount of money left with him. Now you have to tell firstly what is the amount that is having total amount that he is getting as pocket money, weekly pocket money, that is 81. So amount of weekly pocket money is 81. Amount spent to buy snacks is rupees 57. Estimation of 81 will be 80, 57 will be 60. Now when approximate amount of money left with Rahul, okay, so 80 minus 60 is 20, so around 20 rupees is left with Rahul. Like this you will write. Okay, now an ice cream shop sold 67 ice cream. So total number of ice cream is 67 on Saturday. Number of ice cream sold on Saturday is 67. Number of ice cream sold on Sunday is 83. Now you have to estimate the difference between the number of ice cream sold on Saturday and Sunday. You just have to estimate the difference here. Okay, so you have to tell that what is the estimation. After doing this, you can do estimation, then you have to subtract, and then you can tell the answer like this. Okay, so this one is also your homework. I hope that you have understood. Bye bye students.